You just try to get attention, being triggered's all you have.
Hardcore fact. Yo, what's up, everybody? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So, the reason why I'll be doing a reaction to Tom MacDonald is because someone made a comment saying, hey, please check out Tom MacDonald and NF. Your channel will blow up. No, I know nothing at all about Tom MacDonald. I've seen many reactions based on Mr. MacDonald here. I'm literally new. I'm a newbie. I'm from Jamaica, and these music don't really play in Jamaica where it could be like in an arena or anywhere else. But I could say Drake, Chris Brown, all of those guys played in Jamaica where it's familiar with them. T-Pain, you know, those older folks, those older rap artists, those Eminem, those guys, right? But for Tom MacDonald, I haven't heard no one plays him, so I guess he's not that familiar in Jamaica, right? But I want to be the first to familiarize with Tom MacDonald here. It's my first time giving my 2 cents on him. I've seen his recent single called Facts. I'll check that one out first before I go any further into knowing about Tom MacDonald and what he's capable of, right? He's featured with Ben Shapiro. Hopefully I'm pronouncing his name correctly. And the reason why I will be doing a reaction to Mr. MacDonald here, it's because I want to learn more about overseas music. As I stated earlier in my introduction, these people don't really play in Jamaica that much. So if you guys heard people playing them in Jamaica, I guess they are already a fan, but not really that much. So I want to learn more about Mr. Tom MacDonald here. So without further ado, guys, peace, let's dive in.
They call me offensive, controversial. It's only two genders, boys and girls. They can't cancel my message because I'm the biggest independent rapper in the whole freaking world.
Well, this started out great. He's the biggest independent rapper in the world. To be honest, guys, I know nothing at all about the American industry when it comes on to music. So if he stated that he's the biggest independent rapper in the world, I guess in Jamaica we have Alkaline. He's one of Jamaica's best, and he's an independent artist. So I know what is it like to become an independent artist where you signed under no form of label. You own your own music. You own your own masters. You own your own earnings when it comes on to the royalty part of it. So I guess this man here is collecting his own royalty from his own music. And this is a very beautiful thing. For someone to work as an independent artist, they are literally winning because they don't have to worry about split the shares between the label. So for his earnings, it wouldn't be shortened. Right? So this is a very great thing though. I gotta say, congrats, bro. Let's continue.
I'm racist, yeah, right. I'm not ashamed because I'm white. If every Caucasian's a bigot, I guess every Muslim's a terrorist. Every liberal is right. I don't want to talk to folks who don't get it. Go woke, go broke, no hope, it's pathetic. Pro-choice.
Guys, to be honest, I love when people talk facts. Right? Sometimes the truth hurts, but we have to just get over it and understand. And what I'm hearing thus far is doing excellent, to be honest.
Pronouns pro-love, you're progressive, but you ain't pro-gun, no one to protect it. Where the American flags at? Remember when people would hang those? They've been taken down, they all been replaced with BLM flags or a rainbow.
Bro. What the fuck, bro? What the fuck, bro? Guys, okay. That's not the only place where the flag replacement is been taking place. Because in Jamaica, at the US Embassy, we have like the rainbow flags being raised high right beside our Jamaican flag. And if we should go to that side to remove that flag, we die instant. We die instantly. Facts, bro. Just facts, bro. Bro, you have to be careful because the system will sink you. The system is very powerful. Powerful sets of people.
Rap, this ain't money, cars and clothes. We ain't selling drugs, we ain't gonna overdose. We ain't pushing guns, ain't promoting stripper poles. We won't turn your sons into thugs or your daughters into hoes. I don't care if I offend you. I was put here to upset you.
Bro, I gotta say, with all this talk that he's making, right? You can literally just picture what he's saying because it's all true. I've seen it out with my two eyes, so there's nothing at all new under the sun. So, bro, this is dope, bro. I gotta say, thumbs up, my G. Thumbs up. Amazing facts here.
You can cry and you can scream, you can riot in the streets, you defunded the police, now there's no one to protect you. I hope I offend you. I ask myself what would Ben do? Let's just keep it real, facts, don't care how you feel, man.
Guys, to be honest, I've seen a lot of things taking place in my country, Jamaica, where we're having this case trial for Vibes Cartel. If you all know about Vibes Cartel, please state it in the comment section, right? The system is literally skin up the guy's case, right? If you have no one to defend you, if you have no money to defend you, then eventually system will sink you. You'll sink right down to the floor where no one remembers you. And it's so fucked up, bro. It's just fucked up, bro. Like, the system is literally an illusion. It literally manipulates the mind, then it literally just gets you. You own nothing. You own the house that you're living in right now. You have to pay tax for it. The car that you're driving, once it's licensed, you have to pay tax for it. So it's for the government. Everything that is on this earth right now, we own nothing. Because if we should buy something, the money that we spend on that particular item is going right back to the government, then it come back to us. Bro, like this man is a genius, bro. He's a genius.
If you want my pronouns, I'm the man who don't respect.
Let's look at the stats, I've got the facts. My money like Lizzo, my pockets are fat. Homie, I'm epic, don't be a wap. Dog, it's a yarmulke, homie, no cap. Look at the graphs, look at my charts. You're blowing money on strippers and cars. You go.
Bro, this song is dope. This song is fire, bro. Wow. Whoa. This is deeper than we think, bro. To be honest.
Into prison, I'm on television. Dogs, no one knows who you are. Keep hating on me on the internet. My comment section all woke Karens. And I make racks off compound interest. Y'all live with your parents. Nick.
Guys, to be honest, I've seen a lot of people hating on my own opinion for something that I've reacted to. Right? They know nothing at all about me. They've never yet seen me in public or personally, but they're hating. Bro, come on, bro. It's my opinion. Like, why is it that you're hating on my opinion? Why is it that you're hating on someone's opinion and what they think about what it should be like? Like, bro, come on, bro. People should even do better than this. I mean, like, they are scared to come and express themselves, but once they see you expressing yourself, they're gonna start criticize and hate. Because there are some load of crap, bro, to be honest.
Take some notes, I just did this for fun. All my people download this, let's get a billboard #1.
This ain't rap, this ain't money, cars and clothes. We ain't selling drugs, we ain't gonna overdose. We ain't pushing guns, ain't promoting stripper poles.
And I like this song so much. It's quite a genial move. Targeting people, right, who literally is scared of the truth and putting the truth in front of you so you could literally live the truth. Respect. An absolute respect.
We won't turn your sons into thugs or your daughters into hoes. I don't care if I offend you. I was put here to upset you. You can cry and you can scream, you can...
Guys, with all this message, that is being displayed in this song. Right? Put your sons into dons and your daughters into O's. Right? Whore. Right? Selling their bodies to other people for money. Right? It is just a system, bro. I mean, like it's a mind manipulation where people is so easily manipulated. They fall short for anything just for money. The system rigs. It really rigs, bro.
Riot in the streets, who defunded the police? Now there's no one to protect you. I hope I offend you. I ask myself, what would Ben do? Let's just keep it real, facts. Don't care how you feel, man.
Guys, no one will defend you, right? If we don't have money, if we don't have the power, if we don't have anything at all that to do with royalty or wealth, we are doomed as doomsday. So let's talk facts, bro.
If you want my pronouns, I'm the man who don't respect you. You mad, you mad, you mad. I guess it's cool to be the victim, well, I'ma be the man. You sad, you sad, you sad. You just try to get attention, being triggered's all you have.
Hardcore facts. Shit, bro. What this guy's saying is nothing but the darn truth. Nothing but the darn truth. With all this being said, it's easily to understand once you know the facts of anything that is being displayed right here, bro. Superb job, my G. Let's continue.
You mad, you mad, you mad. You blame everybody else for every problem that you can. You sad, you sad, you sad. I will never say I'm sorry, I ain't taking nothing back.
Believe, bro. Once it's the truth, we'll never say sorry. I'll never take nothing back because it's just the truth. Why are you mad, bro? You're just speaking the truth. Then what do you expect? The truth is right in front of your eyes. So what do you expect for me to say? Come on, bro. I won't be biased. I won't take back my talk because that is just the way it is. Just live the truth and just move on. Why are you mad, bro? If you are guilty, then you are most guilty. If the truth hurts you so much, bro.
I don't care if I offend you. I was put here to upset you. You can cry and you can scream. You can riot in the streets. You defunded the police. Now there's no one to protect you.
And the saddest part of life is that we have nobody to protect us. We could cry in the street. We could do anything at all just for someone to attend to us if we're going through a rough time. It's sad because if we don't have any money, guys, we are living in a time where some people are made for riches while some people are made to be poor. Right? And if someone should help us, we have to have money first. We have to have life cash. We have to have a strong lawyer. We have to have everything just for us to make a survival. Right? But if we are rich, just one snap of a finger and everything just changes like that. No one remembers you. No one remembers that, oh yeah, you have committed a crime before. But just because that person have money up front, the case just thrown aside and everything just gone back to a normal case. Bro, it is sucks for people like me and you who is not rich. And it's always a sunshine and beautiful Sunday morning for the people who are rich. They always get the end of the bargain correctly. It doesn't matter if they commit a crime or nothing like that. Once they have money, it's always victorious for them, and we should stay down here with our truth in the dungeon with nobody give a fuck because we don't have any money. Bro, it's sad, it's sad, it's sad.
I hope I offend you. I ask myself, what would Ben do? Let's just keep it real, facts. Don't care how you feel, man. If you want my pronouns, I'm the man who don't respect you.
I gotta say, my friend, thank you so much for the suggestion. I should have checked out this song a long time ago because I've seen it before. I've seen him before, but I haven't checked him out. I totally forgot. But thank you so much, my friend, for this suggestion. This song was a masterpiece. I gotta say, respect. If anyone reached thus far, Please state your next suggestion that I should check out next, and I'll be sure to give him a next listening ears because I love his music. Either way, I'll be checking out him. I'll check in his song next. Any one of them, I'll check it out next. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.